This is catching people off guard.
Boston employment lawyer Jeff Rosin says there are still a lot of unknowns with this coronavirus outbreak. So let's start with what we do know. All workers in Massachusetts are guaranteed 5 paid sick days a year by state law, unless they work for a very small company with fewer than 11 employees. Rosin expects most companies will let employees who can work from home for now. But for those who can't,
if your job is such that you cannot perform it remotely, you're in a tough situation. There may not be salary replacement for you.
If you have to self-quarantine for 2 weeks, sick time would cover the first week. But Rosin says don't expect short-term disability to cover the second week.
If you're not sick, you're unlikely to qualify for short-term disability.
Short-term disability would kick in if you actually contract the coronavirus and are out for several weeks, but it usually only covers about 60% of your pay. The bright side is it might not be fully taxed if the company makes employees pay part of the premiums. Last year, Massachusetts also started payroll deductions for a paid family medical leave program, but those benefits don't start until next year. If you end up facing significant unpaid time, the only other alternative might be unemployment.
Some sort of a furlough or layoff so that you could then apply for unemployment insurance and get a government benefit that way.